welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since you guys seen my bare face, but here it is, and the reason being is because today I'll be doing an updated eyebrow tutorial. Actually go into the eyebrows, I'm just gonna throw in some like face stuff real quick. So what I've been using on my face as I do have some like areas of really dryness, especially around my nose, which honestly I don't get because like when I do my makeup and I have it on all day, my nose is quite oily, yet like there's always flaking skin. I don't know, somebody explain that to me because I'm lost. But so I use the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. This is what I've been using on my face. And because this is like a gel, you don't have to use that much. But it's just what I use on my face. Some of the products that I use include the L'Oreal Paris Brow Stylist Frame and Set eyebrow pomade stuffs, and it brings its own little brush, and then this is it. The shade that I have is 215, which is deep brunette. Then I actually have a palette. Now you guys are gonna be like, whatever. So what I do is I use Soda Pop in Central Park to set my eyebrows, because I noticed when I would just do this alone and it would dry, I would take pictures and like there was just something about it that didn't look finished. Like you could tell like it was like dried up, not clay, but dried up pomade, and it just didn't look good. So I noticed when you set your brows, especially with something tinted, like it looks better. Because I also would set my eyebrows with like the Coty Airspun, and it's like flashback on your eyebrows. But after I do that, I go in with the e.l.f. tinted eyebrow gel and medium. Now the first step I usually do when I do my eyebrows is actually go in with the L'Oreal. So we're going to do that right now. You know, in the Instagram videos, they be like this, and they be like, whoosh, whoosh. Anyways, so we're going to do that. Now, actually, this eyebrow pomade was actually going dry. So what I did is, I used argan oil to bring it back to life. I'm just gonna start on the bottom, like that. Okay, then just go up top and do that jazz. To this part, I'm not applying as much pressure to the brush, and I haven't gone in to get more products, so this is all what's left, kind of. Okay, I'm just filling in with whatever is left. And try to make the tail as pointy or whatever as I can, just because Instagram made me think that way. I got both my eyebrows with just the L'Oreal on. So now we're gonna go into the actual palette. Any palette will do. I used to use this small one, I think that you can get at Walmart. I think it just said like nudes, and I forgot like the brand name. I used to use that one, but that one's really old. So yeah, I'm going into Soda Pop towards the tail, and then coming forward a little bit, I'm going to be using Central Park. So, and I have a angled brush. This is an e.l.f. small angled brush. They're like $1 at Walmart or anywhere, I think. So I'm going to just go ahead and put Soda Pop towards the tail. So now, taking Central Park, and then just going from where we left off. It's just a nice little ombre moment that you can barely tell. Yeah, I don't know, I just like this. Granted, I think I do need to clean it up right here in the beginning, but I just like how this eyebrow looks better than this one. So with that being said, let's go ahead and fix this one.
This is them all filled in with, what is all of this? So this is them filled in. For some reason, I've been really liking the boxy look, and I used to hate it. I used to hate when it looked like a box, but I think it's because when other people did it, it was like a James Charles moment. It was like real dark and like black, and it was just too much. But I feel like, I don't know, it's not that much with mine. So
usually what I do next is the brow gel. So these are the lashes on. Again, this is Blossom by Hawaiian Cosmetics, and you can use my code for 15% off. Everything will be listed down below. And I'm going into Chisme from BeckyG and Colourpop. And I'm going to be highlighting my face. Then I just take my pinky finger and I just go in right there. And then the final step, of course, is the setting spray. So I'm just gonna fix my my edges real quick and give you the final product. Okay guys, so that is it. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching till the end. I hope you guys learned something, or yeah, I hope you guys have a nice weekend, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much. Bye.